at Mercy Homes and Properties. Follow me, let's get to the office. We are just coming from New Banana Island in Port Harcourt that is selling at 6 million naira just off Odili Road. You don't see land or 6 million for inside Port Harcourt City before. Make you don't miss this opportunity. Sharply call Madam Keko Africa, aka Madam Dollars. The money, that small money, 6 million. I expect you to get 5, 10 or 15 properties. If you get company, come collect 10 now. Come collect 50 plots. Make we run now. Now small thing. You dey hear me so? And the number na 09034296519. Follow me, go to your office. Mercy Homes and Properties. So you don't understand. You dey hear me? They come out, they go. Now for Mercy Homes, if you come number 181 for Odili Road, opposite Chicken Republic. Now dear Mercy Homes and Properties day. You dey see us. Once you enter here, you just see the banner. Just come, first floor. Enter the office. You go collect your land, collect everything. If you want to go for inspection, sharply come this office here. We go carry you go for inspection. Straight. Under 10 minutes, you don't go for inspection, come back. You understand me, sir? I am go. That's yeah. We don't reach the office. Mercy Homes and Properties. You dey see am. Once you come here, you just enter this place. They go open am for you and they will give you your property with just 6 million naira. If na transfer you want to, fine. If na POS, anyone you want to, sharp. Your document, everything go arrange am. Under 2 weeks, your document don ready for you. Come here, collect your plot. If you wan go inspection, you carry you go inspection. You dey hear me say? Follow me. Mercy Home and Properties with this, you don't understand. You dey enjoy the place, the B&B. Just come here. Number 181 Odili Road, opposite Chicken Republic. Make you come collect your plot of New Banana Island. If you miss Lagos own, na opportunity to get this one. If you dey abroad, dey hear me. UK, Canada, USA, Australia, Malaysia, anywhere where you dey, even if that's South Africa, just call me. The number dey here, no dey hide down. Madam Dollar no dey hide that number. Na 09034296519. Make you collect your property. Or if you come here, they go tell you say, come make we carry you go show land where you wan buy. Once you see the land, just 10 minutes, you don't go there, come back. As I tell you now, we just go there, they come back now. Another client go pay money and collect. So before the land go finish, but don't worry, land there for you. Just sharply bring your money. You dey hear me so? Come office, come make your payment. Anyhow you want to do am, we go run now, neat, nothing dey happen. You dey hear me so?